the managers, so management is done by the manager, so they are like interlinked. These two are interlinked with that one. Okay, so management is done with the management. So they set organization strategies. So what is the role of managers? Might be if you have taken the course of principle of management, so you know that what is the role of manager in the management. So usually they are for strategic goals. Okay, so they make a strategy for responding to the business challenges. Okay, so what are the challenges? According to that, they make a strategy over there so that they can run the organization successfully over there. So what is the difference between the strategies and the operational level things? One thing is important, that strategy is for your long term goal. It's not for the daily goals like today what we will do. So that is operational. Okay, but if you talk about that, okay, what our task today, what is our agenda today, what we need to do today, so that is operational thing. Okay, that is the daily things over there, right?
Yeah.
But if you say like what we gonna achieve in 5 years or 1 year or 10 years over there, that is your strategy over there, right? And what
Yes.
challenges we will face and how we gonna overcome that one. So usually this is the work of manager, not the lower, no, not the workers or the middle level, but the manager usually solve this thing. So is it clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, right. So, moreover,
Clear.
manager must act creatively. So he should be creative. He should not think like a normal employees in a company. He should think out of the box. So if he is thinking out of the box, so it means that he's creative over there. He is not looking in the direction of his nose, but he is looking forward. He's looking like a for more creative solutions over there. So for example, different companies like for example, Sony Ericsson and Nokia, they were not creative. They just work on the operational things. Whatever the customer complained, they just solve that one. Okay, but iPhone and Samsung, they also took care of the operational things, but they strategically they focus on the new things, new challenges, new innovations over there, and they come the touch screen over there, and no new things, new applications, new things over there in their mobile phone over there, right? So if you have any company over there, so you need to go for the new creation of new products over there, right? So what are the new products over there, and the services to provide to the customer, so that you can attract the new customer. Keeping the old customer, this is called sustainability. For example, if you have like 1 million customer and you want to keep this 1 million customer with you, this is called sustainability. You are fulfilling their requirements and they are happy from you, that's it. Okay, but if you want to double your customer, or like 3 times or 4 times your customer, then you should go for new strategies, new innovations, new challenges over there, right? So this is like the main difference between the sustainability and disruption over there. So disruption is like a one step ahead from that one. Disruption means you go for some new technology, new things over there, so that you can contract billions of customer towards your product.